How to stop Spotify playing suggested songs. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to stop Spotify playing suggested songs. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Spotify app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the top left corner of the screen. And now here from the pop-up menu that appears, just select settings and privacy. And now here, once you're inside the settings section, simply scroll down and tap on playback option. And now here, once you're inside the playback option, if you scroll down there, you'll see the option labeled as autoplay. So here, if you have toggled on this option, just toggle it off. And once you do that, then the Spotify will stop playing the suggested songs. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.